The engineer and architect were able to get an affordable price of $6,000 to do a new coat of paint, new drainage, and pipings in 3 days. Contractors came in early in the morning to work on the drains and roof drainage pipes. By noon, Aunty had made a good lunch for the 3 workers and the engineer, but every dish was served in a metal bowl.
I am terribly sorry to let my best guests eat from metal bowls. A few rats came into the kitchen last night and I accidentally broke all the porcelain dishes.
Oh, that is terrible. Did you cut yourself?
I had gotten used to living alone and learned to work around. I am really sorry.
Aunty, the food is very nice and healthy.
When I was in India, I used to eat from metal containers.
Thanks for the sumptuous food and fruits.
The diligent workers finished their lunch in 30 minutes and went on with their renovation works.
When did you start to live alone?
After the death of my son, I am really alone. Luckily, my good neighbour, Uncle Charles, is always helping me when I am desperate. We can visit him after lunch as he would like to renovate his house too.
Yes.
There was silence for the rest of the meal, as nothing is more saddening than the death of her only son. After lunch, Aunty led the engineer to Uncle Charles's house.
You are really good at directions. You make it out of your house and stop right in front of his house without missing a step.
I was not blind before my son's death, so to move around my house and neighborhood is not a big problem.
Just then, Uncle Charles came to answer the gate, and he was an old man about 10 years older than Aunty.
So this is the kind engineer helping you to get your house renovated?
Yes, I believe she can help you.
They walked around the house, which is 2-story and about 200 square meters. Everything was well kept except for the roof leak, pipings, and drains.
Maybe you need to pay about $15,000 for a new roof, pipings, drains and a new coat of paint as your house is bigger than Auntie's.
How about the consultant fees? $500?
No problem for me as I enjoy helping people, especially old folks.
They laughed heartedly, and the joy of giving and receiving is in the air.
How nice if my son can be like you, to make some sense in life and not just make a joke of his life.
Yes, I share the same thought for my daughter too. She feels my house is as small as a dog kennel.
Don't talk about the old past. Let's plan when we can start work to have a new look for the house before New Year.